What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Nacho Queso TV. I hope everybody's doing all right, YouTube family. Today we are reviewing Popeyes. Got the Popeyes box, and we got the shrimp basket for $2.49. They look like they were a little bit greedy today because I went to another one the other day and I ordered the same thing, but it looks like they didn't fill it up at this location as much as they did the last. See that? You got your popcorn shrimp. There, focus, camera, focus. This is the shrimp basket. Popeyes. And we ended up getting with it the cocktail sauce, but the cocktail sauce to me tastes very disgusting, so I ended up getting the barbecue sauce. And I believe, in my opinion, that Popeyes has the best barbecue sauce there is as far as barbecue sauces. That's just my opinion. Rice and beans. It's rice and beans for you. Ended up getting a little bit crushed, but it's okay, we'll still eat it. And I bought fries with it, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys.
Oh, no.
Popeyes is at least this location that I went to, we're being a little bit greedy, on the greedy side today. Because, I mean, damn, bro. I paid $7 for all this, right? At least fill it up a little bit. You know, make it look nice. Have a little, put some effort into it. I mean, I used to work in fast food back in the day, and food in general. And I would always try my best to, satisfy the customer, just because it's the right thing to do. What it tastes like. I'm gonna go ahead and try it without the barbecue sauce first. It's got a little bit of spice to it without the barbecue sauce. It tastes very good. I like the batter that they put it in. Very good. Very good, the batter that they put it in. Very good. Now we're gonna try it with the barbecue sauce. Try it with the barbecue sauce. Delicious. It tastes just like from the other day, because I did review it before. Like I said, they ended up filling up the box a little bit more, a lot more. And over here they barely gave fries and barely gave any popcorn shrimp. So I don't know what happened today, Popeyes, but it's okay. It happens. A little bug trying to get some of this popcorn shrimp, but too bad, bug. This popcorn shrimp is mine. And as far as the rating goes, I will give this popcorn shrimp a 7.5 out of 10. As far as taste, it tastes very good, but Popeyes, you did lose points for not filling it up the way you should. But it's all good. We're eating, so I thank God for that. Put some of them fries in the barbecue sauce. I have a couple ideas of videos I want to make a little bit more entertaining. If you guys have any ideas, put it on the comment section below. And we'll get it done. Tastes very good. This barbecue sauce tastes so good with those popcorn shrimp. Yes, it does. That popcorn shrimp is on point, though. I mean, Popeyes, good job, except for the except for the part of not filling up, you know, everything the way it should be filled up. Thank you for coming through. Subscribe. I'll catch you guys later on another video. Look at that barbecue sauce looking real nice, real clean on there. I got upcoming videos, review food from Disney, things like that, a little bit more exciting than this. But yeah, God bless you guys. Catch you later.